Hello everybody and welcome back to Rainbow Brush. I am Brian and today we are going to learn how to draw the Incredible Hulk, the Avengers Marvel superhero. Alright, so we're gonna start off with the angry eyebrows and move to the face, and before you know it, we are going to have an Incredible Hulk right in front of us. The Incredible Hulk is one of my favorite Avengers. I love these movies, and I don't think they will ever get old for me. When I was a kid, I used to collect comic books. I don't know if there's any of you out there that have collected comic books, but it is a fun thing to do. I don't do it anymore, but sometimes I wish I would. So, who is your favorite superhero? It doesn't have to be Avengers, but if it is Avengers, which Avenger is your favorite? And also, I've got another question that maybe you guys can answer in the comments today. Who is your favorite supervillain? I don't currently have a favorite supervillain. I'm not sure who I would pick. It's a lot easier to pick the good guys, to root for the good side, I guess, but I do know a lot of people who like that dark side as well. So of course, to the Incredible Hulk, there's Bruce Banner, which is the normal side of the Incredible Hulk, and when he gets mad, you don't want to see him angry. He turns into the Incredible Hulk, the green monster, the terror, and he destroys cities. In a good way though, because he saves lives and he fights the bad guys. He learns to control himself, at least to a degree. It's hilarious when he loses his temper and just starts pounding on people. I know I've lost my temper a time or two. Have you ever been through a time where you've just lost your temper and felt like the Incredible Hulk? Hopefully you didn't pick up a tank and throw it at somebody, but I'm sure there's been a time in your life where you've gotten angry. Channel that anger right now into this drawing and make the best Incredible Hulk that you possibly can. Thank you guys so much for being here. I just wanted to remind you guys as well, please like, subscribe, and comment in the comments section and get to know everybody. I would love to hear from you guys, see what you think about this drawing, and see if you've actually drawn this to this video. Speaking of green superheroes, does anybody remember the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles? Now I'm not talking about the new movie, I'm talking about the old cartoon. I love that cartoon. I still have a lot of respect for those guys, and I hope one day maybe we can go ahead and draw them. But for now, we're drawing the green Incredible Hulk. If you're having fun with this drawing of the Incredible Hulk from the Avengers, Rainbow Brush has even more videos that you can take a look at and draw with me. So when you're done with this video, make sure you go and check that out. So here's a random weird question I got for you. If you could eat one food for the rest of your life, what would it be? What is your favorite food? A lot of people would say pizza. A lot of people would say ice cream. Me, myself, stuffing. I love stuffing. Why? I don't know. Just something I enjoy. What is your favorite food? What is that weird thing that you would eat for the rest of your life if you had the opportunity? Or if you were made to do it, how about that? And I suppose on the other hand, what is the food you would not eat no matter how much money someone paid you? I cannot stand sardines. Disgusting. I will, so bad. You may be asking yourself, what does that have to do with this drawing? Well, nothing. But it was on my mind, and so we talked about it. Alright, so let's put a lot of definition into those arms because he is massive. He is strong. Alright, you are doing an amazing job. I already know it. Like I've said in other videos, I don't even need to look. I can just tell I know that you are doing an amazing job. So keep it up and let's finish this Incredible Hulk. So go ahead and feel free to draw feel free to mess up. There's really no mistakes in this. Have fun. Let your pencil go wild, let your crayon go wild, or let your paintbrush go wild. Whatever medium you're choosing for this. And like I said before, just have some fun. Nobody's here but you and me, and we're gonna do our best. So how many pairs of clothes do you think the Incredible Hulk goes through? I mean, think about it. He's wearing normal clothes, someone gets him angry, and boom, he gets huge. His pants rip, his shirt rips. I bet you this guy goes to Walmart a lot. So do you guys think that one day that we will have a formula to make the Incredible Hulk? Need something lifted? Take the Incredible Hulk juice. I'm not sure that will ever happen, but it would be kind of cool to control, as long as you could control it. I think it would be a very handy thing to have. What's that? You need help with the groceries? I got it, because I have superhuman strength. What's that? You need a 2-ton vehicle to be lifted? Well, I can do that because I have Hulk strength with Hulk juice. I think it could maybe be turned into an energy drink as well. What do you think? All right. You know, I wonder what other uses that can be used for. Back in the day, there used to be an Incredible Hulk named Lou Ferrigno. He did an amazing job playing the Incredible Hulk. However, the show was extremely corny. But it was amazing. Very, very old show. I wonder how many remakes of the Incredible Hulk that they've had over the years. But I love where they're going with the character nowadays. And I really like the movies. Now, I'm not sure what time it'll be of the year when you are watching this, but right now as I'm making this, Halloween is just around the corner. And I think now that I'm making this video, I'm gonna be a superhero for Halloween. It's gonna happen. I feel it. So, who should I be for Halloween superhero? I think Captain America. I think that's a very good option for me. I think you guys should also be superheroes, but that's just my thought. Maybe I'm just caught up in the spirit. Maybe I'm just caught up in the spirit of the Incredible Hulk. I don't know. All right, let's go ahead and add some definition to the legs since we've done the left upper arm and the chest here. All right, so now we're gonna be finishing up the right foot since the rest is done. And then later on we'll add the right arm and we'll be pretty much done. I like how it's looking. I hope you like how it's looking on your end. Do a couple toes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5th. Maybe you can put in some Hulk-sized toe jam or something in there. Really, feel free to add whatever you want. Just adding a few details to him will make him pop. All right, let's make a big bicep and a big forearm. Move into the hand, and we are so close to being done. Now would be a good time to go ahead and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. As we finish the fingers, looking good. Color it in, put in a background if you feel like that's necessary. Put some destroyed vehicles or some destroyed houses in the back. Thank you so much for watching Rainbow Brush. This is Brian, and I will see you on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video if you enjoyed it. I hope you had fun learning to draw the Incredible Hulk from the Avengers. If you did indeed draw this picture and you enjoyed drawing it, please share it in the comments and let me know.